The crime of disorderly conduct is so generic that you feel like when cops see shenanigans, bam, handcuffs, jail, disorderly conduct. We can't think of what you really did wrong. We're going to call it disorderly conduct. So I want to talk about this case of state of Florida versus Sargent. And Sargent, it's the evening. Now, it's not 2 a.m. It's not 3 a.m. It's just the evening. And he pulls into a public parking lot. Sargent opens his driver door and he urinates in the parking lot. Now, I want to explain to you something about this. We all have to go to the bathroom at times. This happens, urinating in public. It happens. But he didn't expose himself. That's very important. But the cop saw him urinating in public. And when the cop saw this, he turned on his lights. And Sargent stopped urinating in public, shut his door, and kind of walked to the back of his truck. And Sargent got arrested for disorderly conduct. He also got arrested for DUI. Now, Sargent made a motion to throw out the disorderly conduct and everything else, rightfully so, I think. He alleged, his defense attorney said, public urination in a parking lot without any more, no exposure of sexual organs, no nothing, does not constitute disorderly conduct. So, let's go over again what the court said about, let's review what disorderly conduct is. It is that the accused corrupted the public morals, outraged the sense of public decency, affected the peace and quiet of the persons who witnessed the conduct. Maybe the accused was involved in a fight, that's disorderly, or engaged in some sort of breach of peace. Now, the question is this disorderly conduct? Did Sargent, while urinating in public, but he had his driver door blocking things, he had that open, he wasn't exposing himself, is this disorderly conduct? No. Without more, all you have is, I'm not encouraging people to pee in public parking lots, and I'm not saying the cops couldn't get somebody for something, but the cop didn't see him expose himself, nobody else did, and the court said, you don't have enough, you don't have a crime here of disorderly conduct, and the court threw everything out, and Sargent is free. This was a bad arrest, and this was a bad charge.